Yo, y'all, I'm back with a new video, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to sound like Osamason. So I got the presets right here, and I just made a little song copying this flow type shit, and I'm gonna show y'all the song. Presets in the description, by the way.
I got cool marks on my back. I pop that boy like a flick. She be hard like throw your sick. Vet her wanna suck my neck. Blood in my cup, I'm sipping red. Pop out with sticks, feeling with lead. Bitch, I can't die, resurrect. I got pants, I let it fly.
Well, that's it for the preset video. Let me know who you guys want me to do next. And yeah, just let me know, and I'm gonna be posting FL presets soon. Yeah, fuck with my socials. They'll be in the bio or description or whatever.